Hello and welcome to Goa News Now, friends. Kortalim Bagan murder cases, and that too on strange issues, have is a new normal now. म्हाका दिसता last year जेन्ना तुमकां उगडास आसतले, one Lionel Lobo, 32 years old, July 2nd तेजे मरण जाल्ले सोऱ्या खातीर. आनी आयजची स्टोरी आसा चिकना खातीर. Well, under pretext of chicken, but this murder story, which today I am going to elaborate, was reported in a chicken poultry farm located at Zambol, Kortalim. As per the police, two unidentified men, one wearing yellow, another wearing red, they entered into the property of Saint Anthony Poultry Farm yesterday at around 12:30 p.m. आणि जेन्ना ते भितर सरले, they demanded free chicken. आणि both two persons were present at that time. Anil Muthamaji, age 22 years, and Jiusaya Mandal, age 39 years. And when these both Anil Muthamaji and Jiusaya registered, said no, then these unidentified culprit, one was wearing red color of t-shirt and another was wearing yellow t-shirt, both attacked these victims. आणि नाईफ घेऊन अटॅक केलेला असा ऑन द चेस्ट अँड बॅक. आणि जेन्ना अटॅक जाले, so Anil Muthamaji, age 22 years old, succumbed to his injuries, while Jiusa Mandal is currently at government hospital undergoing treatment. जेन्ना आम्ही विचारले, when we went to the site, we asked the local, everybody was saying ki they were demanding free chicken and if these people resisted, and that could be one story. Looks like under pretext of chicken, but theory is also not digestible. Polisaku ye theory digest जायना, कित्याक for chicken somebody won't kill. That is a poultry farm, anybody can easily enter, go take. Because they both had knife, they could have removed the chicken and gone away. But for chicken, killing somebody was something very very different. आमकांय दिसले की हे स्टोरी तुमच्या फुड्यान हाडपाक जाय. Both are migrants, labor आसा सध्या. Both the families are here residing in Goa. आणि एव्हरीबडी इज इन शॉक की जेन्ना दोन अनआयडेंटिफाईड मॅन येता, फक्त चिकना खातीर अटॅक करता, अँड दॅट टू विथ शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट नाईफ, आणि पळून वयता, बट चिकन व्हरनासतना वयता. So this was something very very different story that we got. So we contacted the police. We are here at the Verna police station. आणि आम्ही जेन्ना पुलिसाक विचारले, so police officials told us that they are also not convinced, but yes, under pretext of chicken they must have entered into the argument with this both victims, Anil and Jiusaya, आणि that motive could be something else. आमकां आनी पुलिसांनी सांगलेले आसा that they are very likely to nab the culprits because they have got some vital clue. केन्ना पर्यंत जातले ते पुलिसूच सांगतले, बट दिस वॉज समथिंग व्हेरी डिफरंट इन कोर्तालेम. आमकां दिसले तुमचे खातीर हेंय प्रेझेंट करपाचें, कित्याक लास्ट टायम आमी जेन्ना सांगलेले दॅट वॉज फॉर मर्डर फॉर लिकर, आनी दिस टायम एज पर आतां पर्यंत जे दिसता, मर्डर फॉर chicken. So Aika, what police said when we asked him about this murder case
at Verna police station. What are the details?
Yeah, yesterday afternoon at around 12 o'clock, two unknown persons they trespassed at the poultry farm of one Mr. Anthony Sequeira, and they attacked two workers with knives. And in that attack, one person has succumbed to injuries while the other person is undergoing treatment. So we have registered an offense in this regard, and we have some clues, and we are hopeful of detecting this case very soon.
Anything else you have got during interrogation?
No, we are on positive lines. We will detect the case soon. No, we don't. That could be just under the pretext of buying a chicken for free. Just to strike the conversation, they might have entered, but that cannot be a motive of crime because it's a gruesome, heinous crime, and there is certainly a different motive to it, and we know we are on that, and we will crack the case soon.
also here. What this these relatives and the other well-wishers of Anil and Jiyusaya, when they were there at police station, we spoke to them about this whole case. त्यांच्याकडे उलेले what they had to.
कि आपको क्या बताया गया है? जो आपको उनकी तरफ से आए हो ना, तो क्या बताया गया, क्या
कल
हुआ?
उनका जिसका मर्डर हो गया उसका जीजा जी मुझे फ़ोन किया कि मेरा शाला को कोई मार दिया बोल के। तो आज मुझे इधर आने के बाद पता चला कल वो मुर्गी फार्म में काम कर रहा था, कोई 2 अनजान आदमी आके उसको मार के चले गए हैं। 4 बार चाकू लगा उसको, सीने में 3 बार और पीछे से पीठ पे 1 बार, और मेडिकल में जाते जाते उसका देहांत हो गया।
क्या नाम था उनका?
उनका नाम अनिल मुठामा जी।
और क्यों झगड़ा हुआ, कुछ पता बोला है?
मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा है, वो शायद हो सकता है उसमें और एक दूसरा परिवार है, वही बता सकते हैं। अभी तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, पुलिस बताएंगे।
पोल्ट्री फार्म में काम करते हो?
हाँ, हमें भरोसा है वह पुलिस अच्छा ही करेगी।